what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you're not sure about Stitch Fix, I have a link down below where you would get $25 towards your first box, and all you have to do is sign up. So in my box I got 5 items, and my same stylist is Kate, and here is the style card that she had sent over. So if you like these kind of videos, keep on watching. Okay, so in the box you get 5 items, and you get your price sheet as well as your style card and your return bag for anything that you do not want. So in my bag I got 5 clothing items, and I have the price sheet. I'll do that at the end for you guys. So the first item I got, I'll have the card over here of the item if you want to purchase it, and the price and the description. First item here are these like teal, I guess like joggers you would say. So let's pull these out. So here they are. They're stretchy at the waist and cuffed at the bottom. And you can see the design on them. It's like a black and a teal. It's a little bit lighter than what the camera is bringing off here. So let's see what these are. These are the Andrew Mark Performance Rosalie knit joggers in teal green. All right, so that's the first item. That's the first time I've ever gotten like joggers from there. Okay, so the next item I got here is this top. It's cute. It has, looks like mustard on the arms, and then there is a button which is like a brown, and then there's the pocket that's also the brown, and then there's black and white stripes. So that's cute. Looks like it has a scoop hem, and it's pretty long. So let's see what this is. This is the Pink Clover Madeline Roll Tab Knit Top in Mustard. Okay, so the next item we have here, it looks like a dolman top, and it looks like a dark purple kind of top. It might be something like I already have. That's the dolman. I actually might have this in a different color I got in another box. So this is the Jolie Reed 3/4 length sleeve knit top, and that's in dark purple. So yeah, that's cute too. So we'll see. And the next item we have here is this blue top. I think I like this. It came up on my feed and I said I liked it. So this is a cute top. It has a tie in the front. Colors are like blue, red, and white. Has a pocket, and then 3/4 length button sleeves. And this is a tinsel top, and it's the Hattie tie front top in blue. That's cute. Next item, this one was my least favorite when I looked at it, so I'm not sure about this. It's kind of getting warm here in Pennsylvania, so this is more for like winter time. It is this top here, and I don't really like it's like a cardigan, but it has like a flowy front, and then here are the sleeves. It's really soft, but I'll show you guys what it looks like on, but I just really don't care for this so far, just looking at it. So this is the Emery Park Effie cardigan in off-white, and that are all my 5 items. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is try these tops on and then come right back. Okay, first is this top, the over cardigan that you see. The only thing I don't like about it is this, it sticks out weird. But otherwise it's kind of cute, really soft. Here is the pattern. You can see that. I mean, it sits cute, like front-wise. I like more of a flat though, flat front. This, I mean, it's cute otherwise, I like it. But I just don't think it's for me. I'm not a fan of this kind of neck here. What do you guys think? Okay, next is this top It has the tie front right here. I don't know, I'm really not a fan of like plaid. This doesn't really, I don't really care for this too much. What do you guys think? So I'm gonna move in so you can see the pattern on the wall. The arms is 3/4 length sleeve. You have it on with some jeans. I don't know, I'm not really like a fan. Okay, next is this purple top, this Jolie top. I have this in a dark gray that I got in a previous box, like 2 boxes ago. It's really cute. I've worn it a couple times for work. The back is cute, has a line down it. Here's the collar up close. It's 3/4 length sleeve. And yeah, I mean, I already have this, so I know how it feels, how it wears. It's the dolman top. But yeah, I like this color too as well. So let me know what you guys think. Okay, so next is this top. It's really cute. It's just a little bit of extra material right here, like a lot of extra material. The way it sits in the back. So here is the sleeve with the arm. I like the sleeves. I really like the top, but I just wish it was a little bit more fitted. Let me know what you guys think with this one. It's cute, but I mean, it doesn't wow me. I don't know. Okay guys, so here are the joggers. They're okay. I really don't wear stuff like this. I have cat and pair that I wear once in a while, but they have pockets and then they have a tie front here. I mean, they're okay. They cuff at the bottom, but I mean, these aren't really my style at all. I don't really wear stuff like this. I wear leggings or sweatpants, but not these, unfortunately. So I'm gonna pass on these definitely. So I'm gonna come back and give you guys my final thoughts and we'll go over prices and everything like that. Okay guys, so let's go over the prices. Okay, so these pants were the Mark New York joggers. I really don't like them. They're not really my style. So these are Andrew Mark Performance Jolie knit joggers. They are $50. Okay, next item I dropped. So this is the Pink Clover Madeline roll knit top. This one was cute, but it was just a little bit big on me at the bottom and the back. Thought it was cute though. Pink Clover, was it? This is $44. That's a little pricey for this. I think it's cute though, because I love mustard. Next item, the item I already have, the Jolie top in the different color, and that's $38. This one I probably get the most wear out of with work and everything like that, and I really like the color. So that's a possibility. Next item is this tinsel Hattie front top, and this is $46. I really didn't like this at all. The material is super thin, plus I'm not a big plaid person at all. And the last but not least, this item was really cute. I love the colors. I love gray, black, and white. They're my favorite colors to wear. This is Emery Park, and this is $48. So the total for the box was $226. The buy all 5 discount was $56.50, which brought it to $169.50. So that was my total. Let me know what you guys think down below, what I should keep. I'm leaning towards this Jolie top of one that I already have, but do I really want another duplicate? Let me know what you guys think, and I appreciate you guys watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Bye-bye.